A staple in most homes, the tuna salad sandwich. We're gonna take salmon, and better yet, we're gonna use the leftover salmon from our last episode, and we're gonna make the best salmon salad sandwich you've ever had. Stay tuned. If you're excited about adding this recipe to your culinary repertoire, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our delicious updates and helpful tips. Welcome back to the Chef2K kitchen. I'm a certified Red Seal chef, and today I'm gonna show you how to utilize your leftover salmon and make the best sandwich you've ever had. All right, guys, we're gonna get ready here to do this. The first thing that I always do when making a tuna salad sandwich, a salmon salad sandwich, is we make the dressing first. That way we know exactly what it's gonna taste like when the salmon goes in it, and we can adjust everything before it all goes together. Let's get it. All right, now we're gonna prep the ingredients for our dressing. We are going to start with some green onions, slice those down nice and small, a little bit of chopped red onion. Then we're gonna hit it with some nice chopped dill, chopped up capers. We're gonna get some beautiful lemon juice in there. All right, we got most of our base in there. We're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper. Never just add salt right from the shaker. Do not do that. It is dumb. You will over salt things. It's not a good thing. Always just take a little bit of that salt, put it in your palm, and then pinch it in there so you know exactly how much you're adding, because you have no clue what is coming out of these holes when you dash it. Some pepper. Let's start getting the rest of it in here. We're gonna use sour cream. When using sour cream for this, I like to use a sour cream with a higher fat content. Tablespoon, boom. Then we're gonna take our Dijon mustard. Same thing. Then we're going mayonnaise. But I'm saying about three and a half tablespoons. I'll tell you when I'm done. So we got one there, 2, 3, I'm gonna say 4 tablespoons. Let's get in there with our spatula. It's looking good. Oh, it's smelling great. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's taste this properly. Never add that salmon until you're exactly satisfied with the taste of this dressing. We're getting there. We're getting there. So let's change that to 5 tablespoons. I adjusted the mayonnaise just a little bit. But right there, that's perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. To me, flavors build themselves as you're going. You'll taste it. You'll be like, it's missing this or it's missing this, and we build it from there. Okay, we're gonna set this aside, throw it in the fridge for a few minutes, let it bond together while we pull out our salmon and we get that all chopped down and ready to throw in there. We've got the salmon here. Now we're gonna prep this up to add to the dressing. So this is salmon from leftovers from dinner last night. It was cooked in the same fashion as our last episode. So if you wanna see that, go back and check that out. Once you put it in the fridge, everything starts to harden on there. So we still have some fresh dill in there. We still have garlic on top of this, some butter and all the seasonings. So this is already flavored amazingly. We're gonna throw it in with the dressing when we're done cutting it up. And I'm telling you guys, this sandwich is a hit. So just insert that knife into the top. We're not looking for cubes. We're looking for mashed up, kind of like tuna out of a can. Always be on the lookout for bones, especially when you're making a sandwich like this. It's the last thing you want is one of your guests to get a salmon bone in their sandwich. All right, guys, take a good look at this. That's perfect. Exactly what we want. Now we're gonna go to the fridge. We're gonna grab our dressing and we're gonna add our salmon to the dressing and then make the sandwich. Okay, here we go. Add it, mix it. This right here is an amazing recipe, guys, to take your salmon, to take your leftover fish. It doesn't have to be salmon. I've done this with mahi-mahi. I've done this with a lot of different fishes. When you have them left over from the night before, put them away. Once they get cold, they're perfect to make a salmon salad sandwich, tuna salad sandwich, mahi-mahi salad sandwich, whatever you want. It's just an amazing way to utilize leftover fish from the night before. This right here is what you're looking for. That's the consistency. You don't want to go any drier than that. This is a sandwich. We're not adding any extra sauce to this sandwich. We're gonna add some cheese, butter the outside, and we're gonna grill it like a grilled cheese sandwich. So no extra sauce. So that needs to be moist. You don't want a sandwich full of a bunch of dry fish. All right, we got everything ready. Now we're gonna construct our sandwich to go onto the flat top. Here we go. We've got Swiss cheese, really, really nice Swiss cheese. That's going on one side. We've got a block of provolone cheese, which we're gonna slice ourselves right here. Now, just like a grilled cheese sandwich, we're gonna take our bread. We've got sourdough bread here. This is gonna be amazing. We're going to butter the outsides using butter, not margarine. Okay, we've got the bread ready to go. Lay that down. We're gonna put Swiss cheese down first. 1, 2. Now we're gonna take that beautiful salmon filling, a nice healthy pile right in the middle. Provolone, put the tops on. Now we're ready to put them on the flat top. All right, we've got our flat top preheated. We're ready to go. Lay that down. All right, we've got them on the grill. We're gonna cook these for a little while here. We wanna make sure all that cheese is melted on the inside. We want it ooey and gooey. All right, we're ready to flip. Look at that color, guys. That is exactly what we are looking for. The sandwich is gonna have crunch. All right, these guys are done. Let's go. To see that sandwich has legs. Look, guys, when I hold it up, it doesn't bend in the middle. Perfect crisp. Here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, we're plating. Food looks amazing. Let's get it on a plate. We've got this leftover cucumber salad. I used this for topping the salmon in our last episode. It was absolutely amazing and a perfect side dish for this sandwich. If you guys are looking for the recipe for this one, just go back to our last episode. I'll show you step by step how to make this beauty. Let's take our sandwich. We're gonna lay that there just for that fancy little thrill. We're gonna top that, and that's it, guys. We're ready to taste. All right, we've arrived at my favorite part of the show. Now we're gonna have a taste and tell you guys exactly what's going on inside this sandwich. Still warm to the touch. Here we go. The perfect pull. Let me tell you, there's a lot going on in that sandwich. We got the pickles, we got the salt, we've got the tang, we've got the creaminess, we've got the crunchiness of the bread, and that perfect gooey pull from that cheese. I'm telling you guys, this one is a hit. This simple salmon salad is a great way to turn leftovers into a fresh and exciting meal to excite your kids, everybody. It's a perfect example of how versatile salmon can be, even the next day. Give this leftover salmon salad a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like it and share it if you enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button. Also, follow all my socials. See you next time on the Chef2K's Kitchen.